Hi, we almost reach Shillong after few hours. It is just 10 approximately 10 to 15 kilometers far away from main Shillong. So, hi everybody and those who are coming to help and coming to encourage. Thank you for your support and giving me honor, Hambai. So, abak sing him light tongo, monglo abak sa terik grading light tongo. Or ni je natural, te or ni je climate like this. See the climate of Meghalaya is changing in a moment. It's fabulous. It's different kind of experience. So climate is changing in a minute. So Bahai Bilko, Advocate Bilko. Akil.
Jus masak. Sini Shillong ni takut bung semandu bay belai jus kazak sun.
So khana, saya sini na. Khana Alu Godam, Shillong ni simi cheng. ISBT jara him lai nai 6-7 kilometer. So jot to Shillong ni khajane takuk te bukuk song. Norok jara oje historical movement ni part engna hingake jot to no wati fight ka jot to no khana 9 সাড়ে 8টা থেকে 9টার বিশিগন জত তো norok reading na bagai no pabago loge akhil botano akhil kisa sade
Kena joto no kaisa koimong sin Shillong ni all Shillong ti prasa tai YTF DSF joto no TCF kena by 7:30 gathering nai seng Alu Godam.
9টার simi cheng lai
Re seng satan hoi gathering ngai by 8 o'clock sung muk pani aro.
Hambai yang bukuk jok bukhor sa phaija yang sin chakra sapi mui tongphayo morok silai teinai desh no rakha khinai boni bangrao no desh ni sima desh ni joto kisu problem mone bangrao no sotoi balbari tonghaisi gatabuk mone hai bangra krak lokhe tongo bagai belai khe khatu tongthai ma tongo watoi ni bagai baksa Shillong ni wati yang kita wati man zakengke no problem zage. So bye, thank you. Tene Alu Godam sokna skanga na gini ang tong nai nakai jara malai nai kok salai nai joton phai mano so Hambai, thank you.